Romania is a beautiful country. It is part of the European Union. Many people want to work in Romania. This guide will help you get a work visa for Romania. The most common work visa is the long-stay work visa, also known as Visa D. This visa is essential for anyone planning to work in Romania for an extended period. It is specifically designed for those who have secured employment in Romania and need to stay for more than 90 days. This visa lets you live and work in Romania for more than 90 days. It is a crucial document for expatriates who wish to integrate into the Romanian workforce and contribute to the local economy. The process of obtaining this visa involves several steps, including securing a job offer from a Romanian employer, gathering necessary documentation, and attending an interview at the Romanian consulate or embassy in your home country. You need this visa if you are not from the EU or EEA. Citizens of EU or EEA countries have the freedom to live and work in Romania without the need for a visa, thanks to the agreements in place within the European Union. However, if you are from a non-EU or non-EEA country, the long-stay work visa is mandatory. This visa not only allows you to work legally in Romania, but also provides you with the opportunity to experience the rich culture and vibrant lifestyle of this Eastern European nation. The application process for the long-stay work visa can be quite detailed. First, you need to have a job offer from a Romanian company. Your employer will then need to obtain a work permit on your behalf from the Romanian Immigration Office. Once the work permit is issued, you can proceed with your visa application. This involves filling out the visa application form, providing proof of employment, and submitting other required documents such as your passport, photographs, and proof of accommodation in Romania. After submitting your application, you will need to attend an interview at the Romanian consulate or embassy in your home country. During the interview, you may be asked about your job, your employer, and your plans in Romania. It is important to be well prepared and provide honest and accurate information. Once your visa is approved, you can travel to Romania and start your new job. Upon arrival in Romania, you will need to register with the local immigration office and obtain a residence permit. This permit will allow you to stay in Romania for the duration of your employment contract. It is important to keep your residence permit up to date and renew it as needed. Working in Romania can be a rewarding experience, offering opportunities for professional growth and cultural enrichment. Romania is known for its beautiful landscapes, historic landmarks, and vibrant cities. As an expatriate, you will have the chance to explore the country's rich history, enjoy its diverse cuisine, and immerse yourself in the local culture. Whether you're working in the bustling capital of Bucharest or in one of the many charming towns and cities across the country, Romania offers a unique and fulfilling experience for foreign workers. In addition to professional opportunities, Romania also offers a welcoming community for expatriates. There are numerous expat groups and organizations that provide support and networking opportunities. These groups can help you settle into your new life in Romania, make new friends, and navigate any challenges you may face as a foreign worker. Learning the Romanian language can also be beneficial. While many Romanians speak English, especially in professional settings, knowing the local language can enhance your experience and help you connect more deeply with the local community. There are many language schools and courses available for expatriates who wish to learn Romanian. Romania is a country with a rich cultural heritage and a calendar full of festivals and events. As an expatriate, you will have the opportunity to participate in these celebrations and experience the traditions and customs of Romania firsthand. From music and dance festivals to traditional food fairs, there is always something exciting happening in Romania. For those who love the outdoors, Romania offers stunning natural landscapes to explore. The Carpathian Mountains, the Danube Delta, and the Black Sea coast are just a few of the natural wonders that you can enjoy during your time in Romania. Whether you enjoy hiking, skiing, or simply taking in the breathtaking scenery, Romania has something to offer for every nature enthusiast. Many expatriates who have worked in Romania speak highly of their experiences. They often highlight the warmth and hospitality of the Romanian people, the opportunities for professional development, and the chance to experience a different culture. If you are considering working in Romania, the long-stay work visa is your gateway to a new and exciting chapter in your career and life. Understanding the process and requirements for obtaining a Romanian work visa is the first step towards making your move. With the right preparation and a positive attitude, you can successfully navigate the visa process and embark on a rewarding journey in Romania. To get a work visa, you must meet some requirements. You need a valid passport. You need health insurance. You must have enough money to support yourself. And you cannot have a criminal record. First, you need a job offer from a Romanian company. The company must then apply for a work permit on your behalf. This permit officially proves you are legally allowed to work in Romania. Section 5. Gathering your documents. You need many documents for your visa application. These include your passport, photos, job offer, work permit, and proof of accommodation. You also need proof of financial means and health insurance. Section 6. Submitting your application. You must apply for the visa in person. You go to the Romanian embassy or consulate in your home country. Take all your documents with you. Answer all questions honestly. Section 7. Paying the visa fee. You must pay a fee when you apply. The fee is different in each country, so make sure you bring the correct amount. Keep the receipt safe. You will need it later. Section 8. Biometrics and interview. You will give your fingerprints and photo biometrics. This helps identify you. You might have an interview. The interview is to learn more about you and why you want to work in Romania. Section 9. Waiting for a decision. It takes time to process your visa, so be patient. The waiting period can be a challenging time filled with anticipation and uncertainty. You might find yourself constantly checking your phone for updates or pacing around, wondering when you will hear back. It can take a few weeks or even a few months. The duration varies depending on several factors, including the type of visa you applied for, the volume of applications being processed, and the specific requirements of the country you are applying to. During this time, it's important to stay calm and keep yourself occupied with other activities. You can track your application online. Most countries provide an online portal where you can check the status of your visa application. This can give you some peace of mind knowing that you can monitor the progress and receive updates. Make sure to keep your application reference number handy, as you will need it to log in and check the status. You will be notified when there is a decision. Notifications can come in various forms, such as an email, a letter, or a phone call. It's important to regularly check your email and other communication channels to ensure you don't miss any important updates. Once you receive the notification, follow the instructions provided to proceed with the next steps. While waiting, try to engage in activities that can help you relax and take your mind off the waiting process. Spend time with friends and family, pick up a new hobby, or immerse yourself in a good book. Keeping yourself busy can make the waiting period feel shorter and less stressful. Taking care of your mental and physical health is also crucial during this time. Consider practicing mindfulness or meditation to help manage any anxiety or stress you may be feeling. Regular exercise can also be beneficial as it helps to release endorphins and improve your overall mood. Use this time to plan for your future. Whether it's making a list of things you want to do once you receive your visa, researching your destination, or setting personal goals, having a plan can give you a sense of purpose and direction. Consider using this waiting period to learn something new. Taking a language class or learning to cook a new dish can be both fun and productive. These activities can also help you prepare for your new life in a different country. Start preparing for your move. Look into travel guides, start packing your belongings, and make a checklist of things you need to do before you leave. Being prepared can help reduce any last-minute stress and ensure a smooth transition. If you haven't already, start making travel arrangements, talk to a travel agent, or book your flight online. Make sure to check the visa requirements and any travel restrictions for your destination. Take the time to say goodbye to your loved ones, organize a farewell gathering, or spend quality time with your friends and family. Capture these moments with photos and cherish the memories. Reflect on your journey so far. Look back at the experiences that have led you to this point and appreciate the growth and learning that have come with it. Write a letter to yourself or keep a journal to document your thoughts and feelings during this waiting period. Finally, when the decision arrives, celebrate the moment. Whether it's a positive outcome or not, acknowledge the effort and patience you have shown throughout the process. Share the news with your loved ones and take the next steps with confidence and optimism. This concludes Section 9, Waiting for a Decision. Thank you for your patience and perseverance. Section 10, Arriving in Romania. Congratulations if your visa is approved. When you arrive in Romania, you must register with the local authorities. You will get a residence permit. This allows you to live and work in Romania legally. Arriving in Romania is an exciting milestone in your journey. As you step off the plane and set foot on Romanian soil, you are greeted by a blend of modernity and tradition. The bustling airport is your first glimpse into the vibrant life that awaits you. The cityscape, with its mix of historical architecture and contemporary buildings, paints a picture of a country that honors its past while embracing the future. Once you have collected your luggage and made your way through customs, the next crucial step is to register with the local authorities. This process is essential and must be completed within a specified time frame, usually within 90 days of your arrival. Registration involves visiting the local immigration office or police station, where you will need to present your passport, visa, and other necessary documents. The officials will guide you through the process, ensuring that all your paperwork is in order. Obtaining a residence permit is a significant part of this registration process. This permit is not just a piece of paper. It is your key to living and working in Romania legally. It grants you the right to stay in the country for an extended period. Whether you are here for work, study, or other purposes, the residence permit also comes with certain responsibilities, such as adhering to Romanian laws and regulations, and it may need to be renewed periodically. Living in Romania offers a unique experience. The country is known for its rich cultural heritage, stunning landscapes, and warm hospitality. From the bustling streets of Bucharest to the serene beauty of the Carpathian Mountains, there is something for everyone. As a resident, you will have the opportunity to explore historic castles, enjoy traditional Romanian cuisine, and participate in local festivals and events. Working in Romania can also be a rewarding experience. The country has a growing economy with opportunities in various sectors, including technology, manufacturing, and tourism. As a foreign worker, you may bring valuable skills and perspectives that contribute to the local workforce. It is important to familiarize yourself with the local job market and employment laws to ensure a smooth transition into your new role. In addition to work and daily life, integrating into the local community is an important aspect of your stay. Learning the Romanian language, even at a basic level, can greatly enhance your experience and help you connect with locals. Romanians are known for their friendliness and willingness to help newcomers, so don't hesitate to engage with your neighbors and colleagues. In summary, arriving in Romania marks the beginning of an exciting chapter in your life. By registering with the local authorities and obtaining your residence permit, you are taking the first steps towards a fulfilling and enriching experience in this beautiful country. Embrace the opportunities that come your way and make the most of your time in Romania.